Hey, Wooby. It feels like a good time to tell you how thankful I am for you.
Oh, I'm thankful for you too, Fotty.
You know what else I'm thankful for? Cheese. I love cheese! But you know what else I'm thankful for? I'm thankful for pets, 'cause they give me kisses. I'm thankful for dandelions that help me make wishes.
And I'm thankful for bikes I can ride with one hand. I'm thankful for beaches and all of their sand.
I'm thankful for family and all my friends too. But most of all, Wooby, I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for trees I can hide and then seek. I'm thankful for duckies and the quacks from their beaks.
I'm thankful for swings. I go high to the sky. I'm thankful for birds and how fast they can fly. I'm thankful for family and all my friends too. Most of all, Fotty, I'm thankful for you.
I'm thankful for ice cream and trucks and trains too. I'm thankful for zebras that I see at the zoo.
I'm thankful for flamingos. They're pink and they're fun. I'm thankful for days I can draw in the sun.
I'm thankful for family and all my friends too. But most of all, buddy, I'm thankful for you. Happy Thanksgiving! Woo! Hey, Wooby, do you know what time it is?
Never. I don't know how to read a clock yet.
Oh, right. Well, it's story time! I'm about to read to you one of my favorite stories, The Tortoise and the Hare.
Can you read Goldilocks instead? Please.
Well, I really think you'll like The Tortoise and the Hare. It's got a great lesson in it about how...
Lessons? That sounds tedious. Well, what is it?
Okay, it's right here. Yeah, see? There you go, right there. Tortoise and Hare.
A race?
Yeah.
Oh, I have an idea. How about we race each other, and whoever wins gets to pick the storytime book?
Well, I'm definitely not as fast as I used to be, and you'll most definitely win.
That's my favorite part of this idea.
Okay, let's do it.
On your mark.
Oh, get set.
Go!
Wait for me.
How did I get to the desert? Oh, the finish line. Already? Wow, I'm so far ahead. I could fit a nap in. When you're feeling pretty tired in the middle of the day.
Woo-hoo-hoo, I did it! Yeah! Hey, Wooby, where are you? Wooby! Oh, hey, Wooby, it's time to wake up!
Oh, hey, Fotty. I was just taking a nap before finishing the race! Oh no. Where'd the finish line go?
Well, I crossed it.
Before me?
Yep.
Oh no. That means we're reading.
And that's how the tortoise won the race. So, what do you think?
I really wish I learned this lesson this morning.
Yeah. Well, I'm tired. I think it's time for sleep. Hey, I'll race you to it. Oh. You win. Brown leaves are falling from trees that are tall. We're having some fun tossing round a football. School's back in session, students lining the hall. All of these things mean it's finally fall. I'm feeling good, 'cause I'm falling for fall. Yeah, we're falling for, oh yeah, we're falling for fall. And I'm having a ball, while I'm falling for fall. Let's play outside as the weather cools down. Before we know it, winter's coming around.
I said see you later to my bouncy beach ball. I traded my swimsuit for a hat and shawl. I smell apple pie, think I'll eat it all. All of these things mean it's finally fall.
I'm feeling good, 'cause I'm falling for fall. Yeah, we're falling for, oh yeah, we're falling for fall. And I'm having a ball, while I'm falling for fall. Let's play outside as the weather cools down. Before we know it, winter's coming around. Yeah, we're falling for fall. Snow is falling down. The sun is setting early. Animals are starting to hibernate, like baby bears and squirrelies. It's the perfect time to go outside and build a snowman all day long. And when you're through, we'll be here for you, singing
The winter song. It's chilly outside.
There's ice on the trees.
You gotta put on your jacket and gloves if you don't wanna freeze.
It's the perfect time to go outside and build a snowman all day long.
And when you're through, we'll be here for you, singing the winter song.
Winter is our favorite time of year because the kiddos are off from school. And there's nothing more fun than spending our time entertaining you.
Hey, Fotty, do you need to take a nap?
Oh, no, I'm not even tired.
I think you need to take a nap.
Yeah, but I'm wide awake. Okay, maybe I do.
When you're feeling pretty tired in the middle of the day, try and take a little nap the Wooby and Fotty way. Cuddle your favorite blanket and think of something sweet, and we'll sing you the nap time song until you fall asleep. You can dream of puppies and kittens and warm cookies and mittens, tiny turtles taking a walk, and goofy goldfish swimming,
The soft sun setting, the bright moon rising, and trees blowing in the wind. Rain tapping on your windowsill, and all the fun places you've been. So cuddle your favorite blanket and think of something sweet, and we'll sing you the nap time song until you fall asleep. We'll sing you the nap time song until you fall asleep.